Today we'll be making this simple, quick, amazing recipe that I know you guys are going to love. And all you're going to need is just a couple of ingredients. So just grab 4 medium-sized potatoes, dice them up, and then you are going to rinse your potatoes with cold tap water. Transfer your potatoes into a kitchen towel and just make sure you dry them well. Just get rid of all the water as much as you can. And then transfer your potatoes into a bowl. So we're going to go in with a couple of ingredients. So half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, just a touch of black pepper, and finally 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So you're going to toast your potatoes until they're well coated with the spices. So the next thing you're going to do is crack 3 eggs into a bowl. And by the way, if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification down below, and don't forget to share this recipe as much as you can. So we're going to go in with half a teaspoon of salt and just a touch of black pepper. Trust me, it's not much. So just beat your eggs well. And then just set your eggs aside. So into my pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you don't like cooking oil, you can use butter, you can use ghee. And then I'm going to go in with my potatoes. Just spread them very well. And then I'm going to add another ingredient. And if you don't like it, feel free to skip it. That is half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Just go in with a little bit of salt and just make sure you keep on, frying your potatoes until they're nicely browned and crispy. And guys, don't skip that stage. Make sure they're crispy before you add in your eggs. So once you're done, go in with your eggs. Then you're going to allow this to cook under very low heat for at least 3 minutes. So once you're done, just release the egg from the pan because you don't want it to be sticking to the pan just before you turn your egg. So transfer it into a plate. If you're good at throwing things in the air, feel free to do that too. So we're going to allow the other side to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And your dinner is ready. Anyway, if you don't like having this for dinner, you can have it for breakfast too. So just transfer it into a plate and enjoy. So guys, this recipe, as you have seen, it's so easy. I hope you try it, I hope you make it, and I hope you enjoy it. So until next time, let's cook, eat, and enjoy.